I've been in the stock market since 2000. At that time, there are no courses, no seminar, no talk to educate us. So we simply buy lah. Friends say buy, buy. Colleagues say buy, buy. Newspaper analysts say buy, buy. So I think at that time, I think I lost almost 200,000. But luckily these few years, I recovered back my losses, and I also think I made lah. So recently, I bought the stock that recommended by Dr. Nasri. So I bought at 25 cents, but unfortunately I only bought 40,000 because they not buy a lot, see. Because I see the profit not much, and then some of the shareholders also selling. So after that I hold it. Then after that the price went up. I wanted to buy again, but unfortunately I should have taken the seller price. I didn't take seller price, so I just keep so not done. So I hold it. Then I sold at 38 cents. So I made some profit. Unfortunately, I went in again. I went in too fast at 10,000. Then after that, I went in another 40,000 at 30 something lah. Then after that came down, I went in another 50,000 at 28. So overall, my average cost is 31.5. Wow! After that, it drop. So I so panicked. So that Saturday, I saw drop a lot lah. So I SMS Dr. Nasrin. Then he SMS, he was very kind. I didn't expect him to SMS back to me. He SMS back to me and said that hold on first and wait and see. Then yesterday, I saw that it sort of like bottomed out at 22.5. So I thought of going in again, but I was a bit fearful, worried. So I SMS Dr. Nasrin again and said, can I buy now? Then he SMS back and said, I didn't expect him to SMS back also. So he SMS back to me and said, hold on, no buy signal yet. So I find that Dr. Nasrin, although he's very busy, I'm sure he has many other things to do, yet he's helpful, kind, and good enough to SMS back to me to ask me not to buy yet because there's no buy signal, and also he gave me the confidence, you see. Otherwise, I think I will also don't know whether to cut loss or not. But because he gave me confidence, say hold on and wait and see, wait for it to recover, so I didn't cut loss lah. So I just hold on, and later when the buy signal come out, I will buy again lah. Thank you very much.